In this video, I'm going to share with you guys what this PS5 really is, what are the PS5's new features, what is the price of this upcoming PS5, and a bonus tip that I will be including somewhere within this video, so be sure to watch the entire video so that you won't miss it. And finally, when is this PS5 going to be released? And now, let's get to the video. Hello guys, and welcome to the No Harm YouTube channel. If you're new to this channel, then my name is Hiro. I upload videos on tech news and technological terms in trend currently, so don't forget to subscribe to this channel and watch my previous videos as well. And today's video is about the PlayStation 5. The PS5, that is short for PlayStation 5, is Sony's next generation PlayStation gaming console. The PS5 is considered to be the successor of the PS4, which has been a massive success for Sony, who reached a milestone of selling 100 million PS4 units this June of 2019, and it was considered to be the fastest gaming console ever sold within the year of past 6 years. And so the PS5 is considered to be direct successor of that PS4. The exact hardware specification of the PS5 is still a mystery, but there are some details available. The PS5 will feature a bespoke 8-core AMD chipset based on the 3rd generation Ryzen architecture with Navy GPU, an SSD storage system, and backwards compatibility with PS4 games and PSVR hardware, 3D audio support, and an 8K TV support as well. And the PS5 will still be able to play disc like its previous generation consoles, and the PS5 will consume less power in standby mode than PlayStation 4 did. Sony has revealed that its forthcoming PS5 console will be less power hungry than its current PS4, so suspending the gameplay won't increase your bills. And the PS5 does support PSVR, so it will be compatible with the current PSVR hardware if you own one, and there are also rumors of a PSVR 2 coming out, but this hasn't been confirmed as of yet. Oh, and by the way, it also comes with ray tracing acceleration in the GPU, so this will bring the next level immersion to gaming visuals. And time for the bonus round. In this I will be telling you guys the confirmed AAA exclusives of the PS5 that will be launched, sometimes along with it or after it launches. The first game is Ghost of Tsushima, and Horizon Zero Dawn 2, God of War 2, Godfall, Call of Duty Black Ops 5, Cyberpunk 2077 by CD Projekt, which is expected to feature Keanu Reeves, Final Fantasy VII Remake, The Elder Scrolls 6, Death Stranding, Spider-Man 2, one of my personal favorites on the PS4, will be having a sequel, The Lord of the Rings Gollum, Sniper Elite 5, Dying Light 2, Watch Dogs Legion, and Battlefield 6. And one honorable mention is that GTA 6 will not be released on time for the PS4, so you may have to wait a little bit longer to play that. Sony hasn't officially confirmed a PS5 price just yet, but I did some digging and found out that the console will cost around $499 in North America at launch. But this price is acceptable as it's only $100 more than the launch price of PS4 and PS4 Pro that launched many years ago. But I do ask you all to take this information with a pinch of salt. Sony has confirmed that the PS5 will release as Holiday 2020, aka somewhere in between October and December 2020. But the recent leak says that the PS5 would launch on November 20th, 2020. So, what do you think about it? Leave your comments down below. And hey, don't forget to like this video and share it among your friends. And subscribe to this channel and be sure to click that bell icon so you won't miss a single notification. And I'll catch you guys on my next video.